This is a burned out Maytronics swivel connector. There is so much DC current that runs through. If there is salt water leakage, the pins can burn out. The tracks on the other side can burn and corrode as well. If you wondered what's inside the connector, stay watching. We're going to cut this open and see. The cables are either 2 or 3 wires. The 2-wire robots have less controls. We will start by dissecting the pinned side. The pins are surrounded by the white plastic molding. It seems like the cable is joined to the pins. The white plastic is then encased. They did this just in case. Once you cut your swivel open, warranty is void. Maytronics will notice a large void. This shows that the pins sit in a housing. The internal spring allows the pin to push out. In cases where the pin is shorted, the pin can stick down. The high current can weld the pin down. Sometimes when the swivel fails, the pin is down. At times the pin can be pulled out and lubricated. If corrosion is bad, sometimes the pin is fully burned. I have seen the whole pin and sleeve come out. In those cases, you wonder how the wire was attached. The lower molding allows the two halves to join. Next, we see what is inside the ringed section. The rings appear to be gold-plated. The board that the rings are on is thick. You will often see pitting on the rings. This may also be from arcing. When the pins touch the gold plates, there is continuity. If the pins lose contact, there can be arcing. Arcing may be the cause of the pitting. If you open up a light switch, you can see the arcing as a burn. The flash you see when you switch some switches is arcing. The blue cable wires linked to the board. You can see the underside of the board has metal. The wires somehow join to the tracks. It almost looks like the underside connects to the outer side. Again, it looks like the cable is joined, then molded. So you can see the middle short pin. If it sits lower, you lose connection. The swivel was invented to prevent cable tangles. It is one of the biggest reasons for your robot to stop. Try not to leave your robot in the pool too long. Check inside your swivel now and then. Thanks for watching.